Hello again, everyone. Welcome to the part 3 of Influence Line. Today I'm going to teach you about influence line for trusses. Okay, we're going to discuss this today. So let's start. So we have here an example of a truss, and then we're going to draw the influence line for each member. Okay, that have an X mark on it. So we have here uh, member EF, member BF, member BC. Okay, we'll be able to do that. Okay, first we need to determine the equation for reactions. Okay, so this is AY, this is DY. Okay, then next we have here another reaction here, but this is equal to 0 because we are using or loading only a vertical unit load, no? So meaning there's no horizontal load to resist. So that means 0. We're adding AX. So let me draw the one unit load here. So one unit load will travel from A to D. No? So this is your X. Okay. So here, as you can see, this is a bridge truss. So the movement is here, this A from this A to D. Okay, the car will move here, no? Right? Okay, so let's start. First, we need to solve for AY, equation for AY. So, mag-moment lang po tayo. Let's have a moment at D is equal to 0, positive clockwise. So, AY here times its moment arm, 9, okay, positive. And then we have a negative rotation, a counterclockwise rotation. So, 1, its moment arm is 9 minus x, that's equal to 0. So, AY here is equal to, right? So, 1 minus x over 9. So, next is dy. So, by uh, determining or by simply looking, we can now conclude that dy is equal to x over y because ay plus dy is equal to 1. Okay? Okay. So, next, we're going to solve for first the BF. Okay? So, we need to determine how to solve that. So, first, we need to use, okay, the appropriate method for solving the first member. For here, so we have 3 member, which is at the middle. So, meaning, you need to use the method of section to get for the member force. Okay, so take note, member force ang kinukuha natin. So, unit load ng member force. So, meaning, we need to determine the equation of that member force as the one is moving from A to D. No? Okay, as the unit load is moving from A to D. Okay, I will cut at the middle. Okay, cut natin. We will cut member EF. A section here, no? At the middle. So, we will have a FBD like this. No? We will okay, have a FBD like this. So, always assume tension. So, this is EF. This is BF. And this is BC. Okay? Okay. So, don't forget the height, the dimensions. So, we have here 4 meters. Then we have 3 meters. This point. Okay, this is point A. So, this is point B. This is point E. Okay? So, as you can see, what member can we solve first here according to this free FBD, no? So we can use summation forces along y is equal to 0, okay, to solve for the BF. Okay, so like the first two, no, method, first two subtopic, so kailangan nating i-solve to by segment o by situation. So unang situation natin, yung one natin is here, no? Nasa before siya nung segment na kinat natin. So, nandito siya from A to B. Yun yung unang section natin. Pangalawang section is nasa gitna na siya. Okay, ito yun. Situation natin. Yung one natin is between BC. And then, last section will be with CD. So, unahin na natin yung segment AB, no? When X, okay, is between 0 to 3. Nandito siya, no? Okay, meaning, yung F natin, yung 1 natin nandito. Okay? X distance. Okay. So, using that one, that figure, so summation forces along y is equal to 0, positive upward. So, we have AY, that's 1 minus X over A, minus 1, dahil dun sa ano na to. Okay? And then, plus yung BF natin, member BF, okay? Yung kanyang vertical, no? Vertical component ng BF, that is BF times vertical component. So, this is 3, this is 4. Let me write that, no? So, this is 3, this is 4. So, meaning this is 5. Okay? The length of BF is 5 meters. So, you can now solve for its component along y. That is BF times, ito yun, no? Opposite. 4 over 5. Okay? And wala nang other vertical forces. So, that is equal to 0. So, BF natin ngayon is equal to, so, cancel na yung 1 natin dito. So, pupunta x over 9 dun sa kabila. Magiging positive siya. So, babalik ta rin lang natin to. Di-divide natin ng 4/5. So, simply multiplying 5 over 4. So, that is equal to 5x over 9 times 4. That is 36. Okay? 5x over 36. This is the equation of our BF. Okay? At when x is between 0 and 3. So, next naman tayo, what if x is between 3 to 6? Okay. So, nandito na po siya, no? Nandito na siya. Okay. So, take note lang natin. Pag nangyari yan, okay? So, like yung unang previous, yung sa part 2 natin, kailangan lang natin kunin yung kikerry ng section B. So, parang mangyayari, ito yung B and C. So, alam natin na, ano kasi, sa truss, so, walang bending yan, no? Ibig sabihin ito, ililipat niya dito ulit, transfer niya dito sa point B and C, no? Ito yung 1 natin. So, this is X mula sa point A. So, this is 6 minus X. Okay, 6 minus X. Ito yung 1 natin. Okay, this is 6 meters. Meron tayong reaction dito, and then dito. So, yun yung ilalagay natin sa point B. Okay? Dito. Then, ito yung, situation number 2. So, let me delete this one. So, ganyan mag-itsura na ng ating FBD, no? So, this one, no? This force is equal to this force. So, we need to solve for this. So, ulit, summation moment at C is equal to 0, positive clockwise. So, we have By, let's say this is By, okay? Times 6, okay? Minus 1 times 6 minus x is equal to 0. Okay? So, By here is equal to 1 minus x over 6. Okay? So this is 3. So, 3 meters per ayan. So, this is By times 3. So, this is 2x over 3. So, let me correct this one. Para hindi tayo malito, no? Okay. So, this is times 3. So, 3 meters to. So, this is 2 minus x over 3. That's si By. So, ito yung ikakarga natin dito. So, yan na yung gagamitin natin. So, that is equal to, so the first we need to write the equation, no? Is equal to 0. Summation forces along y is equal to 0, positive upward. So, 1 minus x over 9 minus itong b na to, no? So, that is 2 minus x over 3. And then we have the BF. So, BF natin is pataas siya. So, plus the component of BF vertically, so 4 over 5 is equal to 0. So, here, we simplify that. So, BF here is equal to, okay? So, ito magiging ano na siya, 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Nilipat sa kabila, magiging positive 1. So, positive 1 times 5, divided by 4, 5. So, magiging 5 over 4. Okay, magiging 5 over 4 siya. Let me correct this one. The writing for this one. Make it clear. So, 5 over 4, positive siya. Then, next, ito magiging negative x over 9 minus plus x over 3. So, let's use our calculator. So, magamit naman natin siya. So, negative 1 over 9. So, plus, that is positive 1 over 3. Enter natin siya, 2 over 9 siya. So, 2 over 9 positive siya. Pupunta sa kabila ito. No? Pupunta sa kabila. So, 2 over 9. So, minus 2 over 9x. Okay? So, 2 over 9x divided by 4/5. Multiply na natin ng 5 over 4. So, ito magiging 5 over 4 minus 5x over, that is 9 times 2, 18. Okay? So, ito na yung magiging BF natin. Equation ng member BF when x is between B and C. When the 1 unit load is between B and C. So, next situation natin, yung 1 naman natin, yung lumagpas na dito. Lumagpas na sa C. So, meaning, nandito na siya, sa C, dito. So, nandito na sa kabila yung 1 natin, sa segment CD na, member CD. So, we can now erase this one. So, wala na yung load dito. Hindi natin makita yung 1 unit load kasi nasa kabilang ano na siya, segment natin. So, summation forces lang tayo. This is when x is between 6 to 9. So, summation forces along y is equal to 0. Positive upward lang tayo dito. So, yun lang. 1 minus x over 9. So, plus bf 4 over 5 is equal to 0. So, ang bf natin ngayon is equal to here. So, 5 over 4. Okay, minus, so this minus, no? So, plus, this is x over 9 times 5 over 4, times 5 over 4. Oh, this is 5x over 36. Okay? This is the equation that we're going to use to draw for the diagram or for the influence line. Okay? Using that one, we're going to draw it here. So let's insert that, a line here. Ulit natin. So may line tayo dito. So let me write it. Okay, in this part. Let me write it in this part of the plate, no? Or slide. Okay, so that is this point A. Okay, next, when x is equal to 0, using this equation, when x is equal to 0, remember forces at BF is 0. So when x is at 3, here, no, at 3, what is the magnitude of BF? Okay, so when 1 is at 3, so 3, okay, times 5, okay, so let's use our calculator. So 3 over 9 times 5 over 4, 5 over 12, okay? So our line here is 5 over 12. So positive siya, no? Lumalabas, no? Positive. So here is 5 over 12. Positive means tension, no? At this point, 5 over 12 tension is the BF. Okay? So next, at this point naman, at parehas lang yung value nito, no? Kapag ginamit natin yung pangalawang equation natin. So 5 over 4, 5 over 4, 5 over 4 minus, this is 5 times 3. Okay, 3 yung ating x dito. Over 18. Okay, ito ginagamit natin, ha? Formula yung pangalawa. So, dapat parehas na 512 yan. Okay, so parehas, 512. Let's connect this one para mabilis, no? Ayan. So, next dito is when x is equal to 6 na. Gamit itong equation na to pa rin, no? So, when x is equal to 6, so negative 5 over 12 na. So, negative 5 over 12, yan, no? So, negative Okay, negative 5 over 12. Okay, next is when x is equal to 6 using this formula, okay, using this equation, na nakuha natin kanina. So, negative 5, 4 to. Is na positive. Tapos 5x over 36 na, no? Or 36. So, lalabas dito is negative 25 over 12. Sorry. So, may kamali lang sa calculation natin. So, plus dapat pala yun, no? Plus 5x over 5 times 6 ay over 36. So, negative 5, 12. Okay, tama. So, parehas doon sa baba. So, next, when x is equal to 9. So, when x is equal to 9, so 0. Lalabas. Okay, so 0 na to. Okay, so point na to. Then we are now going to connect the points. Yan, no? Then another one. Okay, so this is our influence line for member BF. So meaning, when the 1 unit load is at B, okay, nasa B, okay, so it will give member BF the maximum, no, tension. And then kapag nandito naman sa C, point C yung 1 natin, like this one, this is point C, write that. Okay, yung 1 natin is nasa point C na, yung 1 natin, I mean, magbibigay siya ng compression naman. So, magiging compression yung member BF natin. Maximum compression. Doon yung maabot. And then, may point kung saan mag-zero. Okay, yung member BF natin. That is between panel B and C. So, you can solve that using similar triangle. So, by inspection, alam natin na same yung height nito. So, malamang same yung kanyang width. So, ibig sabihin kalahati. So, 1.5. From B, magkakaroon ng 0. Okay? Sa member BF. Okay, so next we are going to solve for the influence line for member EF. Okay? Okay, let's duplicate this one. So, pwede pa natin ito magamit, no? Okay. Okay, so same procedure to. Gagawin natin. So, when x is between 0 and 3, so nandito yung ating 1. Okay, this is x. So, ang next na makukuha natin dito will be member EF, no? So, I ng member EF, IF, no? Tawag doon? Influence line ng member IF. EF, sorry. Okay? So, let's solve that. So, lagay ko lang dito, no? Alright, so, influence line of member EF. Okay, so, yan na yan, no? So, magiging ganito yung tsura. So, para makuha natin yung EF, mag-moment tayo. Ayaw ko na si BF, no? So, summation moment at BF is equal to 0 positive clockwise. Okay? So, hindi pala member BF yun. So, at point B. Sorry, at point B. Dito sa point na to. Para mag-cancel yung meaning walang ma-produce na moment ang BF saka BC. So, ito lang. No? Mag-i-unknown natin. So, EF times moment arm niya, 4. Then we have the AY. So, plus ulit. AY. So, 1 minus X over 9. Quantity. Times its moment arm. So, 3. And also we have the 1. So, minus 1 times 3 minus X. That is equal to 0. So, EF natin ngayon is equal to, so 3, okay, magiging 3 to. 3 times 1 is 3. So, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Maka-cancel yung ito, no? So, matitira itong pangalawang ano. So, negative x over 9 times 3. So, ilan yun? One-third, no? So, this is one-third. Negative one-third, lilipat sa kabila, maging positive one-third. So, x over 3. One-third. So, ito magiging minus, magiging plus siya. Minus, no? Magiging positive. So, pag lipat mo siya sa kabila, magiging negative x. Okay? So, next tayo dito, divide lang natin to ng 4. Pwede natin i-add tong x over 3 minus x. So, negative 1, 6 ang answer natin. So, negative 1 over 6. Ayan yung EF natin. Okay, when x is between 3, okay, to 6, what is our EF? So, dun sa EF, ito, di ba magkakaroon tayo ng load dito, no? Dito By. So, dito By, may load tayo dito. Pero dahil dyan tayo nag-moment, so mga neglect to. So, ang mangyayari na lang dito, ang maging equation natin, so, mawawala lang yung 1 doon, no? So, magiging EF times 4 plus 1 minus x over 9 times 3. Okay? Yung kanyang moment arm. Then, wala na. Okay, so that is equal to 0. Bakit wala na? Kasi nag-moment tayo sa B. Okay, same dito sa ating unang ginawa. So, yung EF natin ngayon dito is equal to, so, babaliktad to. So, magiging ano to? Magiging negative to. So, negative 3 over 4. So, magiging positive. This is x over 3 times 4. Okay, so magiging 12 to. Okay, let me arrange this one. Okay, so magiging EF natin. Remember EF equation. So, x over 12 minus 3 over 4. So, next is when x is nandun na sa kabila. So, I think the same pa rin ang ating magiging answer dito. Kasi nga, mawala na yung by dito. So, mawala na sa third equation natin, third situation natin. 6 to 9 na yung x natin. So, wala na ito. Sinasa kabila na yan. So, ang mangyayari, summation moment pa rin at this point. So, using this left, ganun pa rin ang mangyayari. So, EF times 4 pa rin plus 1 minus x over 9 times 3. Okay? So, ito yan, no? So, is equal to 0. So, ang EF natin ngayon is equal to x over 12 minus 3 over 4. Okay? Using this formula, we can now solve for the influence line for EF. So, sa EF natin, so this is x over 6. Okay, so when x is 0, the member or the force at EF is 0. Okay, when F is equal to 3, so negative 1 half. Okay, this one. So negative 1 half. Okay, next segment. So using this equation naman. So when x is equal to 3, so 3 over 4, 3 over 12, that is 1/4. 3 over 12, that is 1/4, minus 3 over 4. Lalabas negative 1 half. So same dito, no? And then next, when x is equal to 6, using the same equation for situation number 2, when x is equal to 6, so ang lalabas negative 1/4. Okay? So negative 1/4 ito. Dito, no? So negative 1/4. Then when x is equal to 6 again, using naman itong equation na to, so pangatlo, so that is 6 over 12 minus 3/4 pa rin. So ang lalabas, negative 1/4. When x is equal to 0 naman, 9, sorry, 9. Ang lalabas, 0. Okay? So, magiging itsura nito, magiging itsura nito, let's draw a line. Yun. Okay? So, ito yung magiging influence line natin. Let's ink it, no? So, 1 half. So, pagdating dito, okay, yung 1 natin, bago mag-B, okay, just write B, so 1 half. So, pag lumagpas na sa B, ang member force natin is nagiging compression. Compression na negative 1 half. And then, kapag dumating dito sa C, magiging compression 1/4. Then, pagdating sa D, magiging 0 na siya. So, this is how we solve for the influence line. So, I will let you solve for this segment BC. Okay? Okay, for you to practice this one. Okay, so let me show you the answer for the influence line for segment BC. So please try to solve this one. So check if you will get the same answer as my answer, no? So ang magiging itsura nito, I will not show my solution, but let me help you to do the final answer. So the final answer will be like this one. Okay. Okay, so this one at point A, point B, point C, point D. Okay. So at this point, when the 1 unit load uh, is at exactly point B, so the member force BC will have a tension that's equal to 1/2. Okay? Positive, no? Tension. And then, pagdating dito sa C, kung nandito na siya, 1/4. Okay, so all the time na dumaan yung 1 is tension yung nararanasan na member BC. Okay? So, magiging maximum siya at point kung saan yung 1 natin is nasa point B. Okay? Okay. So, that's it. Class, no? Drawing, no? Influence line or trusses. Alright. So, thank you very much for listening. And please wait for the part 4, influence line 4, deflection. Okay? Thank you very much and have a nice day.